Model, 2021 Renault Master Business MH35dCi 135. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 36,703. MOT, the 18th of March 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-135 E60. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, sat-nav, electric windows, 2 keys, reversing camera, air-con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £13,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call